First one in Soudertown, PA. It's under contract already. So we purchased this one from a wholesaler. And I think all in, we were at 155, Paul, right?
Let me pull that because I think that might have been our contract price. And I think we might be at 162 all in with cost. I'll pull that up here though.
Yep. And then if you guys join on the call, we had our contractor go there today. They're making some minor renovations to make the house, call it financeable. So it's more of like a wholesale deal where we purchased from the wholesaler, was a good price. And we thought about just relisting it on the MLS for 199, which is what we did. And depending on what type of buyer we would get, we knew we would have to probably make some repairs to make it financeable. The person came in at full ask at 199. It was a USDA loan. So we're going to have to make just a few minor enhancements so the loan goes through. But for the most part, we should estimate, call it net profit around 24K after, paying all the, closing costs up front, the selling costs on the other side to the agent, and some minor repairs. So a pretty easy way to, even though like auctions are light right now, we keep saying, join other wholesaler leads list in certain markets. It's a great way to find deals and still make easy money on them.
Yep. And for those that don't know what a USDA mortgage is, it's a farmer's home mortgage. It's, everybody knows what a Fannie Mae is or a VA is. The VA and the farmer's home give you an advantage. They're 100% mortgages where you're putting down very little, and there's no private mortgage insurance, where with an FHA, you have PMI, mortgage insurance premiums, which are pretty damn expensive and add to your mortgage costs. So just if people don't know what they are, that's the difference there. But what they require is everything needs to be mortgageable. There can't be chipping paint. There can't be uneven flooring where that's a trip hazard. All railings have to be closed off. Think everything to code and somewhat kind of beyond too. If there's any knob and tube exposed, that's a red flag. You have to get rid of that. There was knob and tube in this attic. My electrician's going to get rid of that. A few other minor things that we have to do. Four new windows we're replacing too. So we should be around 7K into the full rehab there, which will result in that 25K profit. That's net line profit roughly.
Yep. And then just here's what, house clearly looks dated. If you can see my screen still, it's just, old carpet. We're not changing any of that.
Hey, Paul and Mike, how long was that on the MLS for?
A week. Yeah, that went off quick.
Yeah.
It just so happened that another one on the same road here was on the market for like 214.9 and had like 5 offers over ask and went for like 220 something. So this, it needs a little bit of work. That one wasn't even like a rehab property. That was just a nicer property. So things are just flying off the shelves. And this was the only property under 200,000 in this town. So that's a big help too.
Yep. Yeah. So again, another great way of raise the funds, or if it's a deal, get on wholesalers list, take them down. And then sometimes you can just as easy as relist them and not do anything.
Yes.
Because it's just inventory so low right now. Things are just flying off the shelf, like Paul just said.
Really are.
And then, people are bidding up and taking them.
Yep.
So yeah, it's just some pictures there. Any questions on this property? All right, we'll go to the
next one.
Yeah. All right. So this one.